How to find save post in Instagram. So after you open your phone like this, all you have to do now, tap on this menu, your icon at the bottom right side. After you open your profile icon, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says save button. As you can see this save, tap on it. After you open this save, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see here, it says all posts, so tap on it. Allow it now to finish loading. So as you can see now, here is all the posts that I saved on my Instagram account. So now you can go ahead and watch the post if you want. As you can see now, just tap on it, it will open for you. As you can see now, I can be able to go and watch it again. So now if you want to just see the reels that you save on your Instagram, as you can see, tap on this section to see all the reels you save on Instagram. So here is the reel section. As you can see now, all here are the reels that I save on my Instagram account. That's it guys on how to view save post on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.